The first thing to do when machining an impeller or a blisk is to divide the features of the part onto different levels. Here I've got start, stop, hub, splitter for the splitter blade, and shroud for the outer edge, the turned face of the blade. Once you've divided the part into levels, we enter the blade and blisk module roughing. So here I must tell it which level the shroud is on, which level the hub is on, the start blade and the end blade and the splitter blade. I've defined the tool axis as offset normal, which means it will be perpendicular to the direction of the tool path, and here I will apply. So here we're creating a roughing area clearance blisk tool path. It's very quick to generate. Just simulate this. So from the turned face, we're roughing down the blade in simultaneous 5 axis in levels, working our way towards the hub of the impeller. Okay, so the part has been roughed. The next stage is finish machining. We do this in 2 stages. I'm going to start by finish machining the hub surface. All of the levels have been predefined. I just change the tool, and I'll change the name of the tool path to hub finish and apply. The tool axis remains offset normal, perpendicular to the direction of tool path. So again, if we just quickly animate this tool path, we're finish machining, working inside to outside that hub surface in simultaneous 5 axis with full collision avoidance of the tool holder. The last thing I need to do is to finish machine the blades. Here we can machine each blade at a time, or we can machine them down, all 3 of them, in levels. So you'll see my operation is equal to machine all faces, which basically means move from between levels from one blade to the other. You could change that if you wanted to machine each blade in sequence. So we've roughed the part, we've finished the hub, and we've finished the blades. Before we post-process this for the machine, it's wise to take a look at the machine motion. So we load in this case, an Akuma machine, and simulate the toolpaths on that machine. After viewing this, once we're happy, we can simply post-process the data and start machining. So again, we're animating the blade face machining. And the part is complete.